Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I have a bunch of new products I'm trying out, so I wanted to film it and see my first impressions on them. And yeah, so I really do have like a bunch of new products that I decided to get. So I'm going to first prime my face using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. So I'm just going to blend that into my skin, especially where I have pores and like under my eyes where they crease and my smile lines. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. So I did try this foundation out before and I really liked it. I just never committed to buying it. It is currently 8:17 p.m. It's dark. Why not just do my makeup? For no reason. So I don't have any new concealer, so I'm just going to be using the Tarte Shade Tape in Light Medium and Light Sand. So I use Light Medium to conceal and Light Sand to brighten. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Soleil Tan Day Chanel. Ooh, okay, Chanel. Okay. So to set under my eyes, I have the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder. I'm going to use this to set under my eyes and to bake, and then to set the rest of my face. Oh hi? Oh hey? Oh hi. I think it's oh hi. It's the new makeup line by Urban Outfitters. I have their glass powder. It says light as air, translucent, a finishing touch, glass powder. So the only thing I don't like about this Milk Makeup powder is that it has like a little sift to it. So the powder has like a little sifter, and whenever you kind of push the powder out, it'll sift the powder to make it really extra fine. I personally don't like that. And that's what the packaging looks like. Oh hi. I have no idea how light this is gonna be. I feel like it's gonna be really light. It says translucent, but so it does say it's translucent, but it's definitely brightening up my under eyes. So I filled in my eyebrows really quickly, and then I do have a new eyebrow gel. I have the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and then I got it in the color Grind. I'm just gonna run this through my eyebrows and set them in place. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I almost just hit my face. Okay, so put this all over my eyelids. And I'm just gonna pat that out. I feel like at night I have like a lot of energy, but it's like stupid energy. Like I say stupid things because I'm just tired and I'm ready to go to sleep. Okay. So for eyeshadow, I have the P.Louis palette. This one. My eyelids are sticky. So I'm first gonna go in with Queen. This like red shade. I'm actually gonna pack that into my crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out with Sunkissed, which is this orange, and then P.Louis, which is this orangey, no, like yellowy mustard shade. Damn. And this is very pigmented. So I'm just patting this into my crease. I want to keep this pretty low because I want the other colors to stand out a little bit more. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. There, look. Hi. No. No. Gross. Okay. No. some eyeshadow before this eyelid creases. You want me to do your makeup? I'll do your makeup. I'll do your makeup.
Yeah.
Ah! So I was gonna do like a half cut crease, and I was gonna cut my crease and then put white eyeshadow. But the red went like all over here, and I am like too lazy to clean that up. So I think I'm just gonna do like a purple smoky eye. So, school. Yeah, so I started school again. So I don't really expect much from it. I'm just not the best social person. Like, I'm really awkward, and when I get nervous I make really bad jokes, or like dumb jokes, so it's like a joke that's not even funny, but like they still have to laugh. I'm gonna bring the yellow up to my brow hair, like right here. I'm just gonna blend it into my brow hair. I just love it so much. I wish you guys could see this, but my dog is sitting right here, right in front of me, where all of my stuff was. She was just like, nah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take contour. I'm gonna pack that onto my lid and create a dark smoky eye. Oh, you sound like you have so much in life, huh? Your life is such a struggle. So, first problem I was having was that the shadow did not want to stick onto my lid. So I put more eyeshadow base on, and then I stuck that on, and now the dark purple does not want to mix into my crease. So I'm going to finish the other iPhone camera, and then I'll be back. Yeah. So that took forever, but I'm back. And for lashes, I applied the Batty Bee lashes in Instaho. These are Instaho. I got 2 pairs of Instaho and then 1 pair of Batty lashes. So I got those. So next I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic Bronzer. And just bronze up these cheeks, my jawline. I'm just going to contour my nose slightly. Excuse me, ho. Alright, for blush, I'm going to be using the MAC blush in Pinch Me, which is kind of like a mauve shade. So I'm going to keep it on just my apples of my cheeks, kind of just keeping it low, because I don't want it to mix into the bottom of the eyeshadow. So next, I'm going to take the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. So this isn't, I wouldn't say this is like a highlight. It's not blinding. It's very subtle. So I'm just going to put it like on the apples of my cheeks, all over my forehead, and then also my lip, because sometimes I feel like highlight doesn't look that great on my upper lip. So I'm going to use this instead. So this is just going to add kind of like a natural shine. So I'm just going to spritz my face with a little bit of the Morphe setting spray. So I'm going to mix Soulmate from the Dose of Colors and I Love Sari collab, and then also the Amrezy highlighter. I haven't worn highlight in a really long time. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to use the MAC Whirl Lip Liner. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Lancome Natural Beauty Lipstick. And then over top, the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. And you best believe I'm about to overline. Cool. Alright guys, so that was the Get Ready With Me and me trying some new products, and my first impression, it wasn't really first impression, but like I tried them on camera. I ended up liking everything. I think the only thing that I may need to be working on a little bit more was the glass powder by the Urban Outfitters makeup brand, and then also the Hourglass ambient lighting powder. I just need to play around with those a little bit more. But overall, I liked everything. I'm in love with this palette. It is so good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe while you're down there and check out my social media. It will be in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.